focusing on Robinhood, and this week we're getting a lot of the hot Robinhood stocks. So I put together 5 of the top names from Robinhood that I know you're all going to be watching and you want to know what these earnings charts are going to look like. And so these are some of the hottest names that all the Robinhood traders are in. What are they? Let's find out. So the first Robinhood stock is Alibaba. And as you can see, it's having a good 2020 here, finally breaking out of that narrow trading range from the last couple of years. And it's put together a nice earnings surprise streak here. Now, China is back going full steam with its economy, so that's really going to help Alibaba here. And that's probably also why it's at these 5-year highs. But shares up 45% year to date, and the PE is not that crazy high. It's at only 33 times, so much cheaper than Amazon and Mercado Libre and some of its other global competitors. So this is an interesting one to watch this week, and I know we all will be. Then I'm going to switch it over to Yeti. This has been a hot one as well, as you can see from the chart. They've got a perfect record since their 2018 IPO, but shares look like they're stalled out a little bit here after being up 42% year to date. Can they get another breakout here on an earnings beat? We will see. Then another stock I haven't covered, but it is very popular with the Robinhood traders, is Virgin Galactic. And they only have one estimate here on Zacks.com for the company, so it's not widely covered yet on Wall Street. They don't have any earnings, expected to see a loss of $1.16 this year, but who cares about earnings? No one's buying it for that. We're all buying it for the future and what this company could be doing with space travel. And the shares are still up 49% year to date here, even though they've been on this rocky road. But that's what happens when you're popular on Robinhood. You tend to be a little more volatile. Then we're going to switch over to another big one with the Robinhood crowd, and that's Square. And as you can see, they have a good track record of beating. Just that one big miss there during the start of the pandemic, right there in 2020. But since then, they had another big beat last quarter, and the shares have really taken off. Now, they have pulled down a little bit off of those highs because maybe it got a little too hot here. PE is still at 300, so it's certainly not a value stock, and you're certainly buying it for the growth. But can they execute? That's what we will find out. And then we're going to wrap it up with one of the biggest names out there on the work from home pandemic trade and with the Robinhood traders, Peloton. And they're coming off a big beat last quarter. Shares were at that all-time high, pulling back a little bit into the report here, but it's all relative because they're still up 300% year to date. And they're trading with the PE, if anyone cares about the PE, which they don't, at about 440 times earnings here. But if they're going to see further big growth here, maybe the shares are worth that price. We're going to find out. How hot was this stock over the summer? I know a lot of people still have the Peloton that they've been trying to get. They have it on order, and there is still that big back order. So what is happening with the orders and what will happen into the holiday season and this winter? That is all in play here with Peloton as well, but this is definitely going to be a fun one to watch this week. So there's a lot going on, not just for the Robinhood traders, but for all of us interested in earnings season and the earnings reports. So there's a lot this week that we're going to hear from, but it doesn't end there. We're going to get more stocks next week, a lot of hot companies still to come, especially the retail group. They're always coming a little bit closer to mid to late November, and we're even going to get some into Black Friday. Does Black Friday even matter? I'm already seeing Black Friday deals to start November. So this is going to be interesting as we get these companies reporting. You don't want to miss a single episode of the Earnings All-Stars. You can get them all at Zacks.com/YouTube, but I'll be back all throughout earnings season with some more charts.